Imagine a planet where the mountains glitter, where the crust is rich with graphite, and where, deep below a surface so hot that solid rock turns to vapor, there may be hidden more diamond than exists on all of Earth. It sounds like science fiction, but this planet is real. It's called 55 Cancri E, and it's only 41 light-years away. Let's start with the star. 55 Cancri is a sun you can actually find in the night sky in the constellation Cancer, and orbiting it is a truly bizarre world. 55 Cancri E is what we call a super-Earth. It's nearly twice as wide as our planet and around 8 times as heavy. But the wildest part is how close it sits to its star. While Earth takes a full year to circle the sun, 55 Cancri E completes its orbit in under 18 hours, a whole year, in less than a single day. Being that close to your star has consequences. One side of 55 Cancri E always faces the sun, exactly the way the moon always shows us the same face. That means eternal day on one half of the planet and eternal night on the other. On the day side, it gets so hot that temperatures can climb to around 2,000 degrees Celsius. For comparison, iron melts at about 1,500. So this is not a planet with oceans and beaches. This is a glowing sea of molten rock, a lava ocean that bubbles and boils away into space. In fact, the planet is so extreme that some of that melted rock literally evaporates off into the void. But now we get to the reason this planet became world famous. Back in 2012, scientists ran the numbers on the planet's weight and size, and on how much carbon its star appeared to contain. The conclusion was staggering. If the planet was rich enough in carbon, then the immense pressure deep inside it could squeeze that carbon into diamond. Newspapers around the world instantly named it the Diamond Planet, a world where as much as a third of its mass might be pure gemstone. Its value? Impossible to put a number on. That dream is what turned 55 Cancri E into one of the most talked about planets we have ever found. But here's where the story gets interesting. Because the more closely we looked, the more that diamond dream began to crumble. When scientists measured the planet's star more precisely, it turned out it probably wasn't nearly as carbon-rich as they first believed. And without all that extra carbon, a huge part of the case for the diamonds simply disappears. Then came the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful space telescope we have ever built. It turned its gaze toward 55 Cancri E, searching for answers, and what it found was not cold, glittering diamond. It found signs of a thin atmosphere made of gases like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, most likely steaming up from the molten lava ocean below. So, right now, scientists lean toward a different picture. 55 Cancri E probably isn't a diamond world at all, but a lava world in constant eruption, where the crust melts and reforms again, day after day. So is the dream of a planet made of pure diamond dead? Not entirely. We still can't see beneath the surface, so for now it remains one of the universe's most tempting mysteries. A world 41 light-years away that either holds the greatest treasure we can imagine, or an ocean of fire. Maybe both. So what do you think is down there? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to come along on more journeys into the strangest corners of the universe, hit subscribe.